Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
the
the Starry Night, a step-by-step
artistic journey.
journey,
Oh, I didn't see that.
artistic journey by mastering Van Gogh. So, what is the Starry Night, Lina?
Starry Night is one of Vincent Van
Gogh's
most famous paintings, created in June 1889.
Night. So basically, it's a painting done by Vincent Van Gogh. So this masterpiece is known for its swirling patterns of stars and clouds in the night sky over a quiet town. So quiet town
Well, it's
and
really a village.
different kind of stars. That's the main focus of the painting.
In this video, we will draw step by step the
Starry Night art. We will discuss 7 steps of drawing the Starry Night painting by Vincent Van Gogh. So we will see how it's a detail how to make that painting by on.
Step 1 is sketch the outline.
Sketch the outline.
Lightly sketch the main elements like the swirling sky, crescent moon. It's supposed to be a crescent here.
Yeah. Moon. Stars.
No, crescent moon.
Yeah, stars.
Cypress. How do you say it?
Cypress tree.
Yeah, it's this actually.
Yeah.
If you didn't know that, it's fine. Because I didn't know that either.
Kind of like tree. Yeah.
It's a type of tree.
Yeah. And the village. So what are the main parts? Swirling sky.
Yeah.
Moon.
Then the crescent moon.
Stars. Tree. And the village.
Yeah. And then this was drawn by me.
Yeah. So how do you make that, Lina?
Like I first outlined it. You probably can't see. And then I put hills here. And then like this is a type of sky and then the village.
So what you focus there?
Like all the swirling sky, crescent moon. The crescent moon is here.
Yeah. And it's
then
really beautiful.
Stars. Cypress
tree. Cypress tree is very amazing, Lina.
Yeah, and then the village.
Yeah, the village looks cute and calm. Okay,
and
so
they're supposed to be light. That's why I put yellow.
Yeah, move to the next slide, Lina. So step 2, background sky.
Yeah, it displays a canvas with the sky
painted using
different swirling
shades of
blue. There's lots of shades of blue.
Yeah, it's nighttime, but the sky is blue for the painter.
Yeah. He was actually in jail that time when he painted it.
Yeah. Okay, capturing this essence of Starry Night sky.
Yeah.
So step 3,
stars and moon.
Yeah. So the canvas showcases the swirling blue sky with the added stars and the crescent moon, a mix of white and yellow, capturing the iconic elements of Starry Night. So stars and white and yellow.
And then moon.
Yeah.
Crescent.
3. So next will be which one? Step 4 is cypress tree.
This one.
Yeah, it has more details, right? Yeah, and that
canvas now features the dark green cypress tree painted using upward strokes.
Yeah.
Set against
the backdrop
of the swirling blue sky, stars, and crescent moon.
Yeah, so the tree, the blue sky, and the moon. And in step 4. And step 5 is the village. Yeah, the canvas now includes a village painted using various colors, focusing on basic shapes set against the backdrop of swirling blue sky, stars, crescent moon, and the cypress tree.
But make sure, guys, that you do not blend in the colors with the...
Yeah, not mix it.
Yeah.
So once you use one color, stick with that color, and then
Yeah.
take another one.
Yeah, like stick with this color first, and same color, and then this color first.
Yeah, otherwise it will not give you a texture.
Yep.
Okay, next. So step 6 is the final touches. So see, lots of details, lots of elements, lots of textures in that canvas. So you need to focus on blue sky, stars, moon, tree, village, and the details correction to the complete the rendition of Starry Night. It's like editing. Okay, and there you go. Your Starry Night will be complete. Review
Step 7.
and
Review and draw. The artist is seen stepping back to review their completed
rendition of Starry Night on canvas. So he's still doing some. So what is the conclusion from this painting? What is the conclusion? Now we can talk.
We discussed 7 steps of drawing the Starry Night painting.
Yeah. So we discussed 7 steps. So in next video, we will discuss its meaning.
And by the way, that's part 2. This is part 1.
Yeah, this is part 1, and in part 2 we will discuss how this painting made and more details about the artist. Okay, so let's see if we have more. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. I think Lena has
a surprise. So like I just got it today.
It's
a science kit. These, I'll just say like the things. This is for tornadoes.
Yeah.
And then this, it has gems in it. Then that's to clear like the gems, and then a volcano.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.